If you want to hide Chrome tabs quickly, this is the simplest way to do it on Windows or Linux. In this video, I'll show you the fastest method, and it only takes one keyboard shortcut. This is really useful if you want to clean a screen, want to focus on one page, or just need to hide the tab bar while you're presenting or recording. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Alright, let's get into it. On Windows or Linux, press F11 on your keyboard. That will instantly put Google Chrome into full screen mode. As soon as you do that, the tabs, address bar, and browser controls will disappear, giving you a much cleaner view of the web page. If you want to bring everything back, just press F11 again. That exits full screen mode and restores your tabs and browser controls. So if your goal is to hide Chrome tabs without changing any settings or installing anything, F11 is the easiest option. It's fast, free, and built right into Chrome. This works especially well when you want to focus on reading, watch a video, or make your browser look less cluttered, and that's really all there is to it. Press F11 to hide the tabs, and press F11 again to show them back. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this.